Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ikara Technology. This is Sakib Ansari, and today we will unlock the power of Python by learning how to send emails automatically. Imagine the possibilities: automated reminders, bulk emails, or even your own email service. Let's first see a quick demo. Simply, I write here the file name emailsender.py and press the enter. Here's our script in action. And now just a line of code and we have successfully sent an email. Is it not that amazing? I will show you the email. You can see here from the email, and just now I will see the I can see here the email from the other email, and you can see here the image, and you can download this image and you can read the email from other emails. So now let's break it down step by step. So I will write the code step by step here and clear the console. First, I need to import required libraries. First, we bring in some powerful Python libraries. So first is import SMTPLIB, basically the core of email sending in Python. And second one is import SSL. Basically, SSL ensures security for our email transmission. And third one is import OS. Basically, OS helps in handling file paths. Last one is I import the from email and mi meme dot multiparts. It is important to import for using the import mul, meme multiparts. And then second one, we should import the from the email meme text and import the meme text. It is required for sending the email and creating the email project. And second last, we should import the meme base and import meme base. And last one, we should import email encoders. Basically, email memes modules enable us to craft professional multi-part emails with attachments. Second one, we should these are the uh, second one, we should setting up the email credentials here. So first, we should need to write here the smtp underscore server, and assign the smtp server. If you use the Gmail account, you should write here the smtp dot gmail dot com. So now next is you should note that if you are using some other smtps, so you should write the smtp server for the Gmail for this smtp server. And if you use Outlook, so you should write the this one. And if you use Yahoo, so you should write this. And if you use Gmail, you should write this. And port is different for different server, so you can see here for the port number. And next one is I should write the variable smtp underscore port. So this I am right now using the Gmail, so Gmail port is 587. And then sender email, I should create the sender email variable here now. And then I will provide the sender email. I hide the this email for the some security purpose. So I write here my email address. And then you should write here the your email address here, your email address here. And then last one is you should I create here the sender password. So you should note that here you should write the your app password from the Google, your Google account. So I write here the password here. I write my app password and I hide this password for the some security purpose. So my password is here app password, and I show you one step for this. If you not found your password, what we should write here. You should write here your app password, not the normal email password. So how to find, how to create, and how to copy paste here your app password, I will show you uh, in few minutes. So I will go the uh, browser, uh, some browser. So I will show you, this is my first you should go the Chrome browser and click this icon. So I hide the some uh, information for the security purpose, and you just click manage your Google account and it open. And next you should click here security after coming on this page, and then you scroll down and then check your two-step verification. If this is done, then you go to the further process. If it is not done, you should done this two-step verification. And click here. I have already verified this one. You can see here the app password. But you have any problem for this, you should go directly homepage and search on this search bar app password, and you can see on the this app password and click this one option. And then you can see here it give us it asks the your for the generating the password, app password. So I give the sample here. You can write any words here and just click on the create, and it automatically create us for the app password. You should copy this password if and you can note down anywhere this password like notepad, because when I click the done, it not available to look this again password. So you should copy this, and when done this you should uh, import and write this password here on this email sender password. So this is your app password. This is normal steps to create your app password. And then basically SMTP server, the backbone of for sending emails for Gmail, we use smtp.gmail.com. And then smtp underscore port, we create the some variable, uh, basically the gateway 587 that enables secure email sending. And lastly, send email and sender password, your credentials. Use an app password instead of your real password for security. Basically, then here uh, next one we should write here the uh, create the function method send email and pass the some important here we create our function and send email, which does the magic. It takes in four important parameters. First is to email, and then to mail the lucky receipt, and second I take the subject. Basically subject catchy email headline, you can guess, you can then message basically your email body, which can be formal or fun. And then lastly image underscore path, and I will leave here the path none. And basically email path optional but great for attachments. And then now we should structure our email. So after the in first we need to take create a variable message msg and assign the meme meme multipart, and then basically it think of it as a flexible envelope, and then message and pass the from and from basically send our sender email, and basically the sender email identity, and then message I pass the to basically to the receiver address, to email, and then I should pass the subject here, and I assign the subject like subject, which is our parameter, and we will give the argument after creating the main function, and then message dot attach some attach basically mm, pass the meme text and pass the message here, and message should be plain. So this packs in the message text beautifully, and then want this after this written the code, we should attach an image. It is optional. If you not attach any image, you skip this code. Want to send a cool image, no problem, this code. So if image path and os dot path, we give some condition here, exist and pass the image path. So this condition check the image is available or not. If with open open the image file safely, and then image path, I will pass the image path, and it should be rv, and as image path I will give the some name here, and then I create the some variable for the image, and meme base basically converts it into an email friendly format, and it's I will pass here application and octet stream red stream. So then I need to write here image dot set payload basically payload, and pass the image file here, and it read the image. So finally we encode this one, encoders by the encoders, and encode base 64. Basically it uses the base 64 encoding to ensure smooth transmission, and then pass the image here, and lastly I add the image, add header, and content disposition disposition, and I pass the f string like attachment. You can write any string here, then attachment like file name should be like os dot path and dot base name, and I will pass here image path. So lastly uh, attach it securely. Now your emails can include WSM images. So then lastly image dot attach and pass the image. So it has completed for the image part. Yeah, and then next step we should do connect it to the SMTP server and sending email. So now I will write here the context, some variable, and SSL dot create default context, and then it securely the connection using SSL, and then with SMTP live and dot SMTP, and I will pass here SMTP server and SMTP port, and then I will give the name as server. Last one, we should connect to the email server and start TLS encryption to keep our login safe. So I write here the server dot start TLS and pass the context. Context is equal to context. So after this, I need to log in using our credential. So I write the server dot login and pass the send email. Sorry, sender email. Sender email is here, and the pass the sender password. You should pass the sender password. Lastly, finally, send the email. It's like pressing send but through Python. Okay. So lastly, server dot send mail and pass the sender email and to email and msg is equal to as string. It will pass as string and string. Sorry, as underscore string. It should be dot here. I'm sorry. Then uh, after this, we should handle the error. A good coder always prepares for the unexpected. This so I write here the except block here, exception exception as e. So it will print. Sorry, it should be not here. Oh, I will skip this one. So lastly, I should run the is running the script. If no need to write the accept block here. If you want, you can write the accept block. Hmm. Then main underscore. Uh, Now the grand final here. We define our receipt. So receipt receipt and receipt email, and it is you should write here you are sending for those email to the email. So you write here the email address you want to send whoever. So you should write here those email. I write a sample email here. uh, uh, I hide this information because it is security purpose. And then I write here the email subject and assign the some string here, subject email like test email with image. And then I will create here the email body and assign the hello. This is this is a test email. You can write as you wish here on the body attachment. So lastly, image path is our like I had one image on the folder. You can see here the on this folder I have image the cat.png. So I will write the so path cat.png. Then lastly, send email. I call send email and pass the reception email and pass the email subject and pass the email body. You can change as you wish. You want to give the body and the subject. Then lastly, now the grand final, we define our receipt subject and recipient subject and message and call the send email function. That's it. Our email is sent in a flash. So now I run the script here on the console and press the enter. So script is running. Uh, Wait a second, I have some mistake on the code. So I do some mistake here, like some syntax mistake. So I need to solve these mistakes. So this is our my mistake here. So I should write the try and catch block. So try, and then I need some tab here. So tab the and I need to some correct this syntax mistake, and I need to print here the message success message. So email has successfully sent. So I show the email here. Email, uh, send email, to email, send email, basically send email. So then I should write here accept block or the exception handling and exception as e, and print the message here by using f string error sending email, uh, and print the error here. So now uh, basically it show some error here. So what is the error? No fix image and server error. So I need to correct this error. Basically, it also the syntax error. So I type in the with block. So now it's basically run perfectly. So I run the again the script. So I write the script name and it will show again the error. Email is not a package. So now I should check some mistakes in this photo block. Where is the mistake? Node name email.meme. No module name. So it is showing the error. Email is not a package. So I have already the email file on the folder. So I should need to delete it. It import this file. So I need to delete it. And then I need to run again this by write the file name here and press the enter. It will send the mail now. It should send the mail now to the given mail address. So you can see here email has successfully sent, but it show the some other message here. So I need to pass here the some uh, email to email. I pass the to email. So then I run again the file. Now you can see the email has successfully sent and the email address here, and I show you the email on the on my email box inbox. So you can see here the email is now show here in my email inbox. So you can see the picture also has sent in to my email address, and hello, this is test email and attachment. So now that's how you send emails using Python like a pro. Now imagine automating emails for notification, marketing, or even daily reports. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you should visit our website www.ikaratechnology.com and find there many several projects videos also. So now, thank you very much.